Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Sugandha, and for introduction, I work as a doctor here in New Delhi. We have been doing a series on diabetes, in which in our previous video we spoke about what is diabetes and its different forms. In today's video, we'll talk about the risk factors that are associated with diabetes and also the causes of diabetes. So let's begin. So, what are the risk factors for diabetes? Well, the commonest risk factor for diabetes is is a strong family history of diabetes. For example, if both the parents they are having diabetes, there are 50% chances that one could attain diabetes in the near future. If one of the parent is diabetic, then you roughly have around 20 to 25% chance of getting diabetes. Even if none of your parents are diabetic, there is still some chance of getting diabetes up to the tune of like 10 to 15%. The second biggest risk factor is obesity. If your body mass index is more than 25, then you are prone to develop insulin resistance, which ultimately leads to the development of diabetes. The third most important is consumption of high carbohydrate meal and leading a very sedentary kind of lifestyle. So these are the important risk factors for the development of diabetes in the near future. Further, if you are a non-alcoholic but you have fatty liver disease, you are still at a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes mellitus. Race or ethnicity is also a factor which may increase the risk of developing diabetes type 2. Although it is not clear why certain people such as Black or Hispanic, American Indian or Asian American, they're at a greater risk of developing diabetes. In my previous video, I spoke about type 1 diabetes. So the risk factors of type 1 diabetes are not as clear as for pre-diabetes and the type 2 diabetes mellitus. And currently, no one knows how to prevent type 1 diabetes. Now, what causes diabetes? Well, the exact cause of diabetes is still not clear. In all cases, sugar builds up in the bloodstream because the pancreas does not produce enough or appropriate amount of insulin. There are different reasons why the people get diabetes. It may be because of some genetic predisposition and due to some environmental factors such as viruses which attack the body. They trigger the immune system, which leads to the development of antibodies which destroy the pancreas and which we call as type 1 diabetes. So that was all about today's video. In today's video, we spoke about the risk factors and the causes of diabetes. In our next video, we'll talk about the symptoms and the complications of diabetes. So please stay tuned and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on my channel. And thank you so much for watching.